Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Ayurveda at Play. From today onwards, we will learn dhatus, and firstly we'll take the Rasa dhatu. Before learning it, we should know that the dhatus come for the LQs, and in LQs we need to write dhatus in points. So we'll learn dhatus in points, which will help us to write the LQs. So firstly, you should know the definition of the Rasa dhatu. It means nirukti. So it says tatra rasa gato dhatuha aharah gacchati iti rasaha. It means that the dhatu which is circulated continuously in the body, and along with it supplies nutrients and fluids to each and every cell of the body, is called as the rasa dhatu. Then synonyms of the rasa dhatu, they are saumya, ahar prasad, dhatu sar, ahar tej, agni sambhav and asrikar. In this saumya, it is said saumya dhatu because of its saumya nature, that is coolness, and ahar prasad and ahar tej because the rasa dhatu is the first dhatu formed from the ahar ras, so it is called as the ahar prasad and ahar tej. Then dhatu sar, agni sambhav because after the action of jathar agni on digested food, the ahar ras is formed, and from that the rasa dhatu is formed, so agni sambhav. And asrikar because rasa dhatu, it nourishes the rakta dhatu, so it is called as asrikar. Now we'll see the panchabhautik predominance. In this, we know that the nature of rasa dhatu is fluid. So fluid nature itself, it indicates jal predominance. So rasaha apyaha, jal predominance. Then location of rasa dhatu. In location, we have seen the rasa dhatu, it circulates continuously in the body, in the whole body. So location of rasa dhatu is whole body. And the roots of rasavaha srotas are heart and blood vessels. Rasavaha srotas, it means the channels of rasa dhatu. They are heart and blood vessels. Now comes the biosynthesis of rasa dhatu. In this, you will see that it is very important point. And in this biosynthesis, we'll see the genesis of rasa dhatu. It means the actual formation of rasa dhatu, which takes place during the embryonic stage from the maternal aharas. And after birth, what rasa dhatu gets is the nourishment, that is from our digested food. So we'll see the nourishment of rasa dhatu stepwise. First of all, the jathar agni, it acts on the digested food. Then the ahar ras is formed from the digested food. After that, this ahar is absorbed into the grahani. Absorption from grahani. Grahani, it means the small intestine. And from here, the ahar ras is absorbed and it is brought into the heart, as heart is the root of the rasavaha srotas. In heart, rasa dhatu agni is present and it transforms nutrients of rasa dhatu into stable rasa. From here, means from heart, rasa is pumped into rasavaha dhamnis, then circulated to whole body. In this way, the rasa dhatu gets its nourishment from the digested food. In this, you should also know the rasa dhatu utpatti kal. Rasa dhatu utpatti kal, it is the time taken for the replenishment of the rasa dhatu from the aharas, which is 24 hours. Next point is the tridha portion of rasa dhatu. Tridha portion of rasa means any dhatu, it is given by the dalhan, and in that they says that in the metabolism of any dhatu, 3 components are formed. In the metabolism of rasa dhatu by rasa dhatu agni, 3 components are formed. They are sthula rasa, rasamala kapha and precursor of rakta. Rasamala kapha we'll see in the next part. And here the precursor of rakta. Precursor of rakta, it means the part of rasa dhatu which is used as the precursor as the for the nourishment of the rakta dhatu. Then important point is the properties. So properties of rasa dhatu are similar to that of the kapha dosha. They are cold, it means sheath, dull, manda, uncouches, snigdha, liquid, drava. And taste of rasa dhatu is also similar to kapha dosh, that is sweet, madhur. Now comes here the functions. Functions of rasa dhatu are Rasah tushtim brinam. रक्तपुष्टिं च करोति. Prenam and Raktapushti are two main functions of the Rakta dhatu. Prenam, it means the gratification, satisfaction and freshness. Prenam, it means it gives freshness to the body, to each and every cell of our body. So here you can see, as it supplies nutrients and fluids to every cell of the body, it hydrates every cell of the body, and thus it keeps mind and body fresh. So this is the prenam. अब यहाँ पे जो प्रीनम फंक्शन है रस धातु का, वो हम प्लांट्स के साथ कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. एज इफ एक ड्राई प्लांट है और उसे हमने पानी दिया तो उसमें फ्रेशनेस आ जाता है, उसके लीव्स ग्रीन होने लगते हैं. तो दिस वाटर इट हाइड्रेट्स द प्लांट. इन द सेम वे रस धातु फंक्शंस इन आवर बॉडी. इट कीप्स each and every cell in our body hydrated, and it keeps mind and body fresh. This prenam can be physical and mental prenam. So for example, if we splash water on our face, then it gives us freshness. That is the prenam. I hope so you'll get the meaning of prenam. Second function of Rasa dhatu is the nourishment of Rakta dhatu, which is according to the Shir Dhadi Nyaya. Shir Dhadi Nyaya, it means what? How the curd is formed from the milk in a stepwise. First of all, there is milk, then it forms curd, then it forms butter. It is a stepwise process, right? So in the same way, from aharas, first of all the Rasa dhatu is formed, then Rata dhatu is formed, and then the other dhatus are formed. So some part of Rasa dhatu is also functions as a nourishment of Rakta dhatu, that is Rakta pushti. Then next point is the Anjali. It means the volume or the praman of the Rasa dhatu, which is 9 Anjalis. And how you will find the normal volume of Rasa dhatu in the body. So normal volume is indicated by proper functioning of Rasa dhatu and also the absence of symptoms of disorders of Rasa dhatu. For example, in case of dehydration, there is decrease in the volume of Rasa dhatu, or in case of vomiting or in case of diarrhea, there is decrease in the case of the volume of the Rasa dhatu in the body. Then comes the Rasa sarata. It means it is the quality and quantity of Rasa dhatu present in the body. Now, if there is best or good quality of Rasa dhatu present in the body, then it is said to be the Uttam Ras sarata. And features of Uttam Ras sarata are following: soft and smooth skin. Loam of such skin are very fine. Loam, it means the hair present on the skin. Then they are also sparse and deeply rooted. Then the person having Uttam Ras sarata is endowed with health, wealth, longevity, happiness and intelligence. In disorders of rasa, we will find that Rasa Riddhi and Rasa Kashaya. Vriddhi means, we all know, it means the increase. So increase in Rasa dhatu is due to the overintake of cold, heavy, oily, sweet food that increases the Rasa dhatu. Here the shlok says, Raso ati vruddho hridayam utkledam prasekacha apadayati. It means, if there is increase in Rasa dhatu, which will cause Rasa Riddhi, and it can lead to symptoms like nausea, utkled, it means it is the urge to vomit, and prasectilism, that means the condition of excess saliva production. And also, as we have compared the Rasa dhatu with the Kapha dosh, so the Kapha Riddhi symptoms are also similar to the Rasa Riddhi symptoms, or that can be included in the Rasa Riddhi symptoms as well. They are indigestion, nausea, lethargy, it means the alasya, excess sleep, then dysphonia on exertion, that means difficulty in breathing, kapha. These are all included in the Rasa Riddhi. Now coming towards the Rasa Kashaya, here Kashaya, it means decrease in the quantity of the Rasa dhatu present in the body. So it can be seen due to excess fasting, starvation, diarrhea, vomiting, overindulgence of dry, bitter and spicy food that may reduce the quality as well as the quantity of Rasa dhatu. The shlok says, Rase yaroksham shramaha, shosho glanihi, shabda sahisnuta, rasakshaye ritpida, kampah, shunyata, tushnacha. So, these are all symptoms which can be seen in Rasa Kashaya. Rauksha. Rauksha, it means dryness of skin, hair, nails, etc. Shrama, exertion, fatigue, जो हमें थकान महसूस होती है वो. Then Shosha, it means dryness of mouth. Shabda asnahishnuta, intolerance of speech, means here you are not ready to accept what others' perspective is. Then Glani, it means weakness. Now Ritpida, it is related to the cardiac abnormalities. As we have seen, the roots of Rasavaha Srotas are heart and blood vessels. And we also know that dhatu and its srotas, their health is independent, it depends on each other. So if there is increase or decrease in the rasa dhatu, then it will directly affect the cardiac functions of the heart. So ritpida, cardiac abnormalities, are seen in rasa kashaya. Then kampa, muscle cramps. Now you will say that why muscle cramps are seen in rasa kashaya, but see, we know that the rasa dhatu, it gives nutrients and fluids to each and every cell of the body. In short, it provides nourishment to all the tissues, including the muscle tissues. So if there is decrease in the rasa dhatu, then it will lead to insufficient nutrient supply to the muscles, and in that way there will be not proper functioning of the muscles, so it may lead to muscle cramps. Then comes shunyata, it means feeling of lightness in the whole body and head. And last comes the trishna, that is excessive thirst. In last, we will also see the upadhatu of rasadhatu. Upadhatu, these are the secondary tissues that arises and are nourished by the primary tissues. Means upadhatu of rasadhatu here given are stanya, that is breast milk, and raja, menstrual fluid. So these two upadhatus, these two secondary tissues, they are formed and nourished by the primary tissue, that is the here rasadhatu. Then mala of rasa, in the previously we have seen that rasamala is kapha, but here kapha, it is not similar to the kapha dosh as what we study in the three dosh. Here kapha, it is different. Here means see, in the metabolism of rasadhatu, some mucoid substance is also separated from the previous rasadhatu, and that mucoid substance, it resembles somewhere with the kapha properties, so it is named as the kapha. So this rasamala kapha and kapha dosha, they are not similar. Then comes lasika. In modern science, we can resemble lasika with the lymph. I hope so this video was useful and beneficial to all of you, and if it is so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.